Hi everyone, Deb here. I tried to do a live stream and was finishing up this altered playing card for week 15 of hashtag Deck the Year 2025, hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations. My live stream kept stopping on me and just going black screen, so I decided after try 3 that I would just finish it and share it with you in a video for hashtag Deck the Year. And this is what it looks like. It says, "You are magical." And it has the 2 mushrooms with the stems from Terrific Toadstools, which is a Stampin' Up set. Oh, maybe I should have stamped the dirt. And the punch, coordinating punch. So we started that towards the end of part 1 of my live stream, and we finished all but the ribbon at the end, by the end of part 2. I'm debating whether I might color this still with, I think like soft sea foam, maybe. Uh, nope, that's mint macaron. I don't know if I have soft sea foam still. No. Anyway, I'll do that later if I decide to. But yeah, that's what I did. I just put this little ribbon across the bottom, even though it's sort of covering up the snail a little bit, but not a whole lot. At least the snail is visible through the center. And then this was stamped and fussy cut. This came out of the punch down here, but with no color on it. So I might, and these were supposed to be Melon Mambo, which is supposed to be that color too, but a very different color, right? So anyway, that is it for hashtag Deck the Year 2025. Please be sure to go check out the host, Penny's Crafty Creations, and just use the hashtag and check for anyone else that's been playing along this year. I know I saw one other one this week. I think it was MyKalliTuxedoKatIsTheBest Creations. I'm sure there are others, but I didn't notice. So anyway, show them some support too. And I might be making some cards, and actually I have to make embellishments. So for tomorrow, the 11th, come back for embellishments on the 11th, because that's what I'll be working on this afternoon. All right, guys, take care. Have a wonderful week. And if I don't talk to you before that, have a great weekend too. Hugs, love, and peace.